Okay, Paul again here from EMD. Just want to show you, some people on the internet will search for the torque figures for the actual terminals on the Porsche 911 alternator. And this is the alternator, this one here, which goes into the fan housing and part of the fan housing to spin the actual alternator at the same time, spin the fan to cool down the engine. So if you look through here, sorry I forgot to actually show you before I put the shroud on, but the big B plus is pretty much here. The B plus is 10 mil nut is 6 Newton meters, and there's two of the actual 8 millimeter nut, they're 3 Newton meters. So it's pretty much 6 and 3. 6 for the big ones, 3 for the two small ones. And then this one here on top here, 25 Newton meters, the one that goes from here to there. And you're pretty much done. That's about it. And the rest on top, little one that goes on top here for the housing, just do it to 8 Newton meters. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.